I was pretty much drowning in chores until I got my hands on the AGARO Ace Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. It's like having a cleaning buddy without the constant chatter. Imagine tackling that weekend mess in half the time and still having energy to enjoy a lazy Saturday brunch. With its powerful suction and massive tank, it gets the job done. No stress. Those spilled cereal moments? No problem. Wet or dry, it conquers all. Even takes care of the elusive dust bunnies. I never thought cleaning could be this satisfying. The 21-liter tank offers uninterrupted cleaning perfect for those intense weekends. It's not just powerful, maneuvering is effortless with the 360-degree swivel wheels. The blower function, a cherry on top for those quick clear-outs. Elevate your home cleaning experience today with AGARO Ace and embrace a cleaner tomorrow.